Ever wonder why some people see the good neighbor as a will, not so neighborly? Let's dive into the potential downsides of State Farm, exploring legitimate criticisms that shape the opinions of some consumers. Step 1. Understanding the scope. State Farm is massive, which means servicing millions this size, while indicating success, also opens the door for inconsistencies, potential for more claims, more customer service interactions, and inevitably, more negative experiences. Step 2. Premiums and affordability. Some customers report being overwhelmed by the cost of their insurance premiums, possibly finding cheaper options elsewhere. Every insurance company's success is dependent on premium pricing, but sometimes it is the deciding factor. Step 3. Customer service complaints. Numerous reviews have highlighted frustrations with claim processing times or interactions with customer service representatives. Poor customer service experiences are a significant driver of negative perception. Step 4. Claims denials and disputes. A cornerstone of many criticisms. While every company denies claims, for a variety of reasons, consumers may feel wronged due to seemingly unreasonable denials or protracted disputes, leading to customer dissatisfaction. Remember, this is a critical review. While State Farm excels in some areas, being aware of the concerns and potential issues can make you a more informed consumer. Consider these points when evaluating your insurance needs and your own experiences.